What to do if your voice is too soft and nobody can hear you? If this is your situation, this video will definitely help you, because I will explain you how to make your voice louder. Very often at Toastmasters, I saw such a situation that a meeting is taking place at a cafe somewhere where background music is playing and people are speaking from the stage. You can't just hear them. I was sitting several rows from the stage and I didn't hear very well people who were speaking because they were speaking with such soft voices. They can't manage their voice to make it louder if they need to. So if it's your situation and if you want to manage your voice better when you speak from the stage, I will show you an exercise in this video and in the next one, because this topic is wide and I decided to make it in two parts actually. In the next video, I will explain you more about the nature of loud voice, about the theory a bit, and we'll show you a couple of more exercises. So the exercise for today will be shouting, oi, oi, oi. This is how I call it. And what you need to do is to imagine some happy situation, like you are very happy, you're very excited. You need not just to be excited, but to be overwhelmed with excitement. And it looks like this. Oi, 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 oi. What you call in Russian захлеб. So you have a lot of this emotion in your mouth, in your throat, everywhere. It's around you, it's inside you, it's everywhere. You're overwhelmed with this emotion. Emotion of joy, emotion of happiness. Imagine some situation and make it not paying a lot of attention to your voice, how it sounds. Just what you need is the state of your nature, the state of your energy and emotion. And it's oi, oi, oi. There is a rhythm and it's on one tone, on one note. Oi, 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 oi. Your eyes should be happy. You should open your mouth and it's sensed like it goes from upside down. It goes through whole your body. It's not like oi, 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 but oi. It's a loud voice, loud sound. And it goes through all your body, it overwhelms you and emotionally too. So try doing this. If you need some maybe hints, tips how to do this, if you have questions, feel free to contact me. I'm a member of Dnipro Hills. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and you can contact me wherever you want. I will help you. Try doing this exercise somewhere. Find a place where you can do it, in your car, at your apartment. Don't do it at night though, I think. Do it wherever you can and you want, 1-2 times a day, maybe a couple of tries. Like you do it once, maybe 15 seconds, oi, 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 for 15, 20, 25 maybe seconds if you want. And you can do 2 times, 3 times. So do it in a free manner and improve your voice. Make your voice louder. See you next time. Bye.